Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious mutton liver masala. We served it with idiyappam and this is best combo. Let's see how to prepare mutton liver masala. Firstly, I'm going to prepare a masala paste. For that, take 15 to 20 shallots in a mixer grinder jar. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We have taken 500 grams of mutton liver. Grind everything into a thick paste like this. I have added only little amount of water while grinding. Add in salt as needed. In goes the grinded masala paste. Reserve 1 tablespoon of masala paste which we will be using it later. Mix everything nicely and marinate it for 15 to 30 minutes. Heat a kadai and add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. Now add in the marinated liver. Add in some curry leaf and saute it. Saute it for a couple of minutes and cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. The liver will release stock while cooking. Open the lid and add in 1 cup of water and cook well. The liver will turn rubbery if you overcook it. Reserve half a cup of this gravy which we will be using it later. The liver will take 15 to 20 minutes to cook. The liver is cooked perfectly and almost dry. Switch off the flame and let's move to the next step. In a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add in curry leaf and 1 chopped onion. Saute it until it turns translucent. If you want more spicy means you can add 2 green chilli. Add in the reserved grinded masala paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala goes off. Now add in the cooked liver. Add in the half a cup of reserved gravy. Saute it nicely and you could see the masala has turned darker in color. Now add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add in salt as needed. Add in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The liver and the masalas have combined perfectly. Finally, add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Give it a stir and check for salt at this point of time. Finally, add in little coconut oil and curry leaf. Delicious aromatic mutton liver masala is ready now. My amma is preparing idiyappam. I'll just show a glimpse of it. Mutton liver masala tastes best with appam, pathri, idiyappam, chapati or any other variety rice. Idiyappam is ready now and it's time to enjoy with mutton liver masala. Do try this and share me the feedback. If you tried this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.